Hello all the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. I'm Koel and I know most of you are very excited for this new session that you are all going to start. Well, some of you might have already started, whether you're in school or college, but either way this is very exciting moment. This is the time, this is the season of new sessions and the season of buying new products for that session. I love this phase. I used to love buying new books, new notebooks. The smell, they were so amazing. And along with that, some stationery products which are absolutely adorable. I used to love that. Even though I'm not a student anymore, I have my little sister for whom I always look for, this and that. But anyway, not to brag, but I was known for having the cutest, useful, and very unique stationery products, and that is why I bring to you this video where I have listed down some products, essential products that you are going to need in your college or your school, or even if you are doing PhD. If you are a student, you're going to need them. Also, this is the online edition because I do know that most of you are, I guess all of you are doing online classes, which is very sad. I understand, I'm not laughing. I have been through that. I completed my master's sitting at home, so yeah, I know the pain. So keeping all that in mind, I have tried to produce this video which I hope you are going to love. So watch till the end and shortlist what you need, what you can add, and also you can comment down below if you think anything more is needed so that you can help others who would be reading the comments. So yeah, let's get started now.
Tada! It's a bag full of essentials. The first category is writing essentials. I am a very forgetful and unorganized person, so what comes handy for me is having a mini notebook at all times. This notebook is my one place for everything. You can use these to write down your school or college timetables or your daily schedule. You can also write down grocery list, important assignments, to-do lists, important notes of a particular subject, or any other thing that is related to your work and your day-to-day activities. The times in between classes are the most wasted ones. Students either go hunting for food in the fridge for the 100th time or surf the internet. One way to avoid this is to engage yourself into creative activities. For me, what worked is an art or creative journal. These journals can be used to make doodles, paint, write quotations by famous people, or important lesson learned from people around you. This habit keeps mind active and creative. Well, let me share mine that I used during my MA, and I would love to hear from you your views. The last essential in this category is A4 page. These pages come handy at all times. The second category is pencil pouch. First thing needed is of course a pencil pouch, which does not have to be huge but moderately spacious, and I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. Let us begin with the pens. I know that you already know it is an essential, but the reason I chose to show it because these pens are the retractable ones. Well, in local language you can call it the tip-top pen. This pen is easy to use, also you won't lose the cap because it does not have one. Next we have is sticky notes. These notes are very helpful to note things as reminders around us. It is also very flexible in its use because you can use it in other ways as per your choice, like a flashcard for important questions. The other type is the label one, which is obviously used for labeling pages as the name suggests. Now you will not have to worry about finding pages when you are in a rush. It often happens that you are being very careful and writing with full concentration and still manage to make mistakes. The sad part is when you have to use the whitener. At least it was for me. It required a lot of shaking and pressing. In short, it was exhausting. But no more. Let me show you this new correction tip. Let us give this a chance and see how it works. The curved side is the part where your thumb will go. Then put the corrector at 90 degree, Press lightly and slide it at 45 degree and you are done. Easy, no? Next we have is a mini adorable, cute, sweet, little, beautiful. Well, guess what? Any guesses? It's a cutter. As the quotation goes, chota packet पर बड़ा धमाका. This is very sharp regardless of its small size. Those who get a lot of project works, this can be very useful for you. The sixth product in my pouch is a glue. Well, this company Fevicol is known to every Indian. I think this is the national face of glues. While this company produces quality products, this company also made sure it was easily portable. This glue cost me only 10 rupees and fits in pouches easily. The last candidate in my pouch is a highlighter. My love for this is immeasurable. Although I love highlighters in their usual shades, but this pastel one particularly is a must for me because when I'm directly studying from a book, I don't like to dirty it with a lot of writing and coloring. So this pastel one really helps me with that. Keeps it looking clean, fresh and does the job. I love it. A lot is put on the table but not all is an essential. The first essential product I feel we students need is a ruler of the longest length. Mine is 30 cm. Just like me, my sister also deals with A4 size paper in her class, especially during exams, and a long scale makes it easy. In number 2 we have is a stapler. I feel we need a stapler on the table. Again, it is because we are dealing with A4 size papers. It is needed to staple them together, and my stapler also comes with a stapler remover at the back. On number 3 we have is a tape and a tape dispenser. This is important for office and home space as well. It is heavy so that the tape can be easily removed and also you can operate it with one hand. Now the next essential for me is a clip. When you are dealing with a lot of A4 size papers of different subjects, you can end up very puzzled, but that is when these clips come to rescue. A stapler is more like a permanent use, while the clip will hold the paper for the present time without even damaging it. If the study corner does not have proper lighting or natural lights don't come in, then invest on a study lamp. It will be helpful for your eyes. Now the most important one is a water bottle. I don't need to explain why, just drink your water, kids. Lastly, I feel having something that lifts your mood and freshens your mind is a necessity. For that purpose, I have my plants on the table. It is great for my mental health and also works great as a decorative piece. Other things you can put are artworks. I have put my own artworks on the table and it just refreshes my mood. Online classes have some special needs. Let us see what they are. Have this happened to you too during your online classes, that you have put your phone on loudspeaker, raised the volume to the fullest and still could not hear a single thing properly? And not to forget the embarrassment when you open your mic to answer but the class hears a lot more than that from your family. I know, embarrassing. There is only one solution to that. This. Let me show you what is inside. Earphones. Yes, you heard it right. These are the best way to cancel maximum noise around you during your classes. Also, this storage makes it much easier to detangle like never before and also looks very cute. Just plug it in and focus where you want to. No more extra noise. Peacefully doing class and suddenly. This struggle is a real one and is very ridiculous, but I have got your back. One of the storage options is an external hard disk. This is suitable for computer or laptop users. You can either move your desktop files to the hard disk or move class materials to it. Mine is 1 TB and it will cost around 5,000 if you buy from Seagate online. Those who cannot purchase that, do not worry. Other budget-friendly storage device is a pen drive. These are great storage options at low price. 32 GB can be bought at around 400 or even less if there is an offer. Now, mobile users might wonder, what about us? Well, Here is a device for you as well to connect your pen drive to your phone. These are called the OTG adapter. Very lightweight, very useful and very easy to use. It will cost you around 30 rupees. All you have to make sure is you check the charging point size and you're good to go. Those were storage for digital files. Now let us see for the physical one, the tangible ones. I would suggest a cheap file like this to put all your sheets in one place. You can either have separate files like this for each subject or all the sheets in one file. The best one I would suggest is to buy only the cheap file and then separately get the leaf files. These type of files are very useful. You can use one leaf for each subject. I use it to keep my important documents. Aren't they the perfect solution? Next we have is a tripod. This is not a necessity but it can be very helpful. These are the shorter versions to be used while traveling or low-level video recordings. Now while this is for video making, this also comes handy for an easy video calling experience. I personally love this product. Let us look into some medical essentials. With the change in lifestyle during the pandemic, there have also come the change in our health. With prolonged phone use, there is a rise in headaches. Headaches will immensely affect your focus. So having around this pocket-friendly mini roll-on is a great solution. Similarly, there is the problem of congested nose due to the cold and cough. That is very annoying, so the perfect solution to avoid irritation during classes is to have an inhaler. This gives instant relief. Thirdly, if you are on medication, then this medicine box is going to be helpful, especially if you are as forgetful as me. Although this set is for only a week divided as day and night course, I use it as a 2-week course box. So use it as you require. I have kept the plastic shell of medicine because the box is not airtight. Now you will never forget a dose. Lastly, what is mostly being affected is our eyes. Itchiness, dryness, watery eyes are all because of the increased screen time. My power is 6/6, which means my eyesight is perfectly healthy, but still I wear glasses. You know why? No, absolutely not because I feel cute, but because these powerless glasses are my reading glasses with blue light protection. Your habits and practices determines your future well-being. Take care and your eyes will thank you later. Alright, had enough of the student and study essentials. Let us move on to some extras. It is only during the classes that I somehow notice that my lips are dry and flaky. If I don't have a lip balm nearby, I will probably peel off the skin. So keeping a balm around will not hurt, I guess. Also, it smells good. Some classes can really suck out your soul. So boring. Well, this is a clear sign that you need some refreshment. Nothing is better than a chewing gum. I always keep a gum around, even when I attended classes physically. This box makes a cute storage for a week of gum supply. Ah, so refreshing. Let us go back to studying now. Third and last essential is related and dedicated to our beloved back. The prolonged sitting hours in front of phone, laptop or computer causes immense back pain. It is best to walk during each interval. Also, you can add a soft cushion or pillow to avoid sharp pains and have a comfortable support. Now your learning experience will be hassle-free. That is all for this video. Bye.